Welcome to the FOX19 Now Business Spotlight, where every day we highlight local tri-state businesses who can make your life better.
Welcome to the FOX19 Now Business Spotlight. I'm Jolynn Johnston, and joining me here at Beacon Orthopaedics Sports Medicine Summit Woods location in Sharonville is orthopedic surgeon Dr. Michael Swank. Welcome.
Greetings.
So this is one of the patient rooms where after you've worked your magic to repair whatever we've torn, broken, or worn out.
I'm kind of the worn out guy. I just do things that are worn out. I hope I'm not worn out personally, but yes, I take care of people that are worn out.
Yeah, it sounds like you're in my future. So tell us a little bit about yourself.
So I do hip and knee replacements, really exclusively hip and knee replacements in this point in my career as an outpatient setting. So we do outpatient total joints for total hips and total knees. My specialty is in minimally invasive and computer-assisted surgery and customizing implants, so customizing the fit of implants to patients.
How do people know? I'm sure about half the population is walking around with knee or hip pain. So how do you know when it goes from being a nuisance to I need to call you?
Once it starts interfering with life every day, that's when we start thinking about surgical solutions. Prior to that, there's non-operative care that can help, but once it starts keeping you from doing the things you want to do on a daily basis, that's when we start seeking out surgery.
Well, tell us more about the procedures that Beacon Orthopaedics offers.
In total joint replacement, we really run the gamut from what I do, which is outpatient minimally invasive surgery, to revision surgery, to robotic surgery, computer-assisted surgery, and essentially everything that you can imagine currently available in joint replacement.
And you'll take care of us. So if you're looking for expert comprehensive orthopedic care all under one roof, call Beacon today and experience the Beacon difference. Thanks for sharing your expertise.
Thank you very much.
And thank you for watching the FOX19 Now Business Spotlight.
For more information on this featured business, go to fox19now.com and click on Business Spotlight.